Now this question can be thought as a metal insoluble salt electrode. So you have a metal and a metal insoluble salt. So this can be thought as a metal insoluble salt. So this is metal insoluble salt electrode. So this can be thought as a metal insoluble salt electrode. Are you getting? Now you see, this cell is a basically combination of this cell plus some Ksp value. Let me first discuss. So this is given to you Ag plus E, and this Ag for E. This cell E degree is given to you. For this cell E degree is 0.7991 volt. This is given in the problem. Now you have to find for this cell Agi plus electron, and this gives you Ag plus Cl minus. So we have to find Cl minus or I minus, because this is your I, so you should have I minus. So I minus. So we have to find E degree for this cell. Now when I have to find E degree for this cell, basically I minus is 1m. Are you getting? And this is solid, this is solid. Now this cell, if I know the concentration of I minus, I can calculate the concentration of Ag plus. And once I know the concentration of Ag plus, this cell can be thought as a cell number this. So this cell, let us call this is cell 1 and this is cell 2. Cell 2 can be thought as a cell 1. Only thing is concentration of Ag plus is controlled by the Ksp value, because I minus if I know, I can calculate. So now I can write cell 2. Cell 2 can be thought as cell 2 can be thought as cell 1. Cell 2 can be thought as non-standard condition of cell 1. Non-standard condition of cell 1. Are you getting? So this can be thought as non-standard condition of cell 1. Are you getting? In which Ag plus concentration, so concentration of Ag plus is controlled by, so this is controlled by Ksp value. So this is controlled by Ksp value. Are you getting? So this is controlled by Ksp value. Now one can show this one, this is a combination of this. So let us say, if you say Agi, it has a Ksp value Ag plus I minus, and this is the Ksp value. And now if I say Ag plus electron, and if I have Ag, now if I add these two reactions, Ag plus goes, so you will have Agi solid plus electron, and this is Ag plus I minus. Are you getting? You see, this means this cell is a combination of this cell plus Ksp value. Are you getting or not? So now it's easy to find E degree for this cell, because this cell can be thought as a non-standard condition of this cell. So for this cell, E cell I can write. So cell number 1, E cell I can write E degree, that is 0.7991 minus 0.0592 divided by 1 log of 1 by Ag plus. You see, Ag plus is not 1m this time, so this is 1 by Ag plus. And Ag plus can be given by the Ksp value. You see, we know that concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus, this is equals to Ksp value, and our things are standard, so I minus is 1m, so Ag plus is simply Ksp, because I minus is 1m, because this a standard cell, because we have to find a standard E degree. So a standard, and that's why I minus is 1m. So now if I plug the Ag plus, so I can write E cell is 0.7991 minus 0.0592 divided by 1, and this is Ag plus is simply Ksp, so 1 by Ksp value. Are you getting? Now this is what? So now I can write 0.7991 minus, this is minus plus, let us put this minus 0.0592, and this is minus log Ksp. minus log KSP, also called PKSP. So this is 7991 minus 0.0592, and this value is PKSP. Now PKSP is given to you. This value is basically 16.07. So plug the value of PKSP. This is 16.07 multiplied by 0.0592, and this has to be subtracted from 0.7991. So let us do this calculation and see what comes out to be. So you have 0.07991 minus 0.0592 multiplied by 16.07. So this is minus 0.87. Are you getting? This is minus 0.87. Basically I have done mistake. So this is not 0.07. This is 0.7. So this is minus 0.152. So this is minus 0.152 volt. Are you getting? Now this is Ecell for this cell. So this is Ecell for this reaction, but E degree for cell this. Are you getting? So this is E degree. So I can write this is the E degree. This is same as E degree for AZI minus cell, and this value is 0.152 volt and with a minus sign. Are you getting? So let us check this value, minus 0.152. Same value, minus 0.152, approximately same.